If you're looking to transform your completed jobs into a steady stream of repeat business, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into an exciting new feature of our CRM called Automated Scheduling Reminders. Imagine this. You've just wrapped up a successful job, and your customer is thrilled, and now you want to ensure they come back to you for their future needs. But let's be honest, manually following up with each customer can be very time-consuming. That's where we come in. This powerful feature is designed specifically for field service companies like yours. It automates the follow-up process, ensuring that your clients are consistently engaged without you having to lift a finger. To get started, head into your settings and go to the Messaging Template section. Here, you will see the Automated Scheduling Reminder section. Simply click to enable the feature. Select the time interval you want to send these reminders and customize the message. Don't want to send follow-ups to every service type? No problem. Select which services you want to include, and that's it. You're good to go. Once you complete a job, the reminder will automatically be sent at the designated time interval you selected. If for some reason you decide not to send the reminder on a specific job or customer, you can cancel it at any time from the Job Complete modal or on the customer page. Transform one-time jobs into recurring revenue streams with automated scheduling reminders. You're not just saving hours of manual follow-up time, you're also boosting your bottom line. With Kickserv, it really is that simple.